What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. It is the 20th of January. We are taking a look here at Aerodrome Finance. Boy, oh boy, do we have a wild Sunday and so far Monday. Pretty wild market here for cryptocurrencies. It's the 20th, so the 19th, yesterday's Sunday, January, and then Monday here. Wild market. Aerodrome Finance had a massive range yesterday, so I didn't get to catch it later in the day. But later in the day, apparently it tried to break out. And look at this big candle wick here, all the way up to a high, basically right at 140, and then closed all the way down here at 113. Massive, massive whipsaw event. We actually saw a lot of that in the markets yesterday, a lot of whipsawing. And then we're getting quite the opposite move here. Actually, for Bitcoin, we'll take a look at that, but Bitcoin is on a tear right now after a whipsaw last night. So for Aerodrome Finance, we got very close here to the 1086. We hit a low of 110. So my level is at 1086 that I'd be looking for the market to find support. Why is that? Because that's the next level below the market. We started to head towards there on Sunday, and then we put in a new low here again at 110. But we are rallying quite a bit. We're at 122. So I don't know if we'll get back down to that 1086. But we got very close, but not quite. But that would be the level I'd be looking for as market support. It would also be, we'll see if we break out here and put in a new high. But I want to see a higher high take place here, a higher low, excuse me. And, this could be it. If Bitcoin is ready to rock and roll here to the upside, there's a good chance we're going to see a lot of these markets follow very soon thereafter, and we could be on to the start here for Aero. So that's a good thing for the bulls. We want to see a higher low. So let's say this is the higher low. What we're going to look for next here. So we have the lower low, V bottom rally to a lower high. Hopefully today is the higher low, and then we could be off into a higher high, and that would give us a change in trend, guys. Back to the upside. That would be a bullish reversal here, and we would be back in some kind of a trend to the upside, whether long-term or short-term. Time will tell. Aerodrome is finding some market resistance right now at the 123.5. You can see we wicked up above and we are below. So keep your eyes on this for a close below or a close above. Above that is 130.47, 130.47. Above that is our neckline. The market is respecting this neckline big time. So we have the 16th, 17th, 18th, and 19th of January. All those wicked above, closed below that neckline. So what was once support flipped into resistance on the 8th. And then the 16th, 17th, 18th, and 19th of January all traded above, closed below. So hopefully the next shot here, we get a close above that neckline, turning it back into a level of market support. And then again above that, 140.973 is those levels here. If for whatever reason this market decides to collapse here on Martin Luther King Day, look for support at 108.6 or basically $1, 1.005. But it's looking promising as of now here, which is it's 4:30 a.m. on the East Coast. Aerodrome. We did put in a new daily lower low today, but we are rallying and we're seeing Bitcoin break out. So assuming that holds, there's a good chance this could be the market higher low that we're looking for, which the leg that follows that higher low, the leg that follows that, which would be this leg here, can be very fast, extreme, very bullish. Very, very strong. Similar move right here. Again, Bitcoin's breaking out into new all-time highs, guys. So heads up, that can be a very, very powerful move we're about to experience here. Maybe we are already experiencing it in the early stages here for crypto. Let's go over to Bitcoin BTC USD. It's up 108. No, it's up 7 grand. It's at 108,000. So we have a new all-time high here. We printed a high here on this Monday at 109,358 101. The all-time high was, I believe, 108, 388. So let's take a zoom in here real quick at Bitcoin. We had a pretty big whipsaw event take place yesterday evening. So this is a very bearish candle here. It's a bearish engulfing candle. We engulfed the 18th and we also engulfed the 17th of January. What the market did do overnight is it found support at 106.49.56. Even this engulfing candle here traded below 106.49.56 and then closed above. It's actually bullish. Bearish candle, but the short-term trading action here is actually bullish. Again, on the Monday candle, we traded below the 106.49.56, and you can see it right here. And the body is above it, and we're rallying. We're above 104.622. We're above the all-time highs. This thing's on a tear. We're going to watch it. We'll see how it closes today. What you want to see doesn't mean it won't be bullish if we don't see this. Ideally, we get a close above 108.388.88, which is the all-time highs. Right now, we're at 108.48, 108 even actually. So we'll see how we close here today. But it's up about $6,700. My next target for Bitcoin, 116.834 for Bitcoin, 116.834. It's a little bit more than $8,000 above the market. Things are looking good here, guys. Let's see how we close, and if this can hold this intraday gain here, we could be off into a new rally. We'll see how it plays out. We have big movers over there. We have XRP's up. We have, let's see, it looks like XRP is up the most. Maybe we have arcblock up quite a bit. H-bar is up quite a bit, but XRP looks like it's leading the pack. They're up 10%. H-bar is actually up 12%. But looking bullish here. We have the Bitcoin futures moving. And yeah, all good. Guys, thanks for watching. If you are not yet a subscriber, join us here on the channel. Let me know your thoughts on Bitcoin. My next target, 116. Let me know your thoughts on Aerodrome finance. Things are looking great here. I'll catch you guys down in the comments. Of course, not financial advice.